Well, hi everyone. The holiday season is officially here, right? And if you're an entrepreneur, you're probably already feeling the shift. Things are getting busier, expectations are getting higher, and it can be really easy to lose control of your time, your energy, and your focus right now. But it doesn't have to feel chaotic. And so today I'm going to share with you just some simple but powerful ways you can stay organized during this busy season. And I even have a free resource for you to help you stay grounded and in control. I'm Gail Bates, and welcome to my channel where I'm dedicated to helping entrepreneurs make productivity and accountability fun and simple. We think we have to be disciplined on every minute of the day, but I show you how to turn your workday into something you actually look forward to, just like I do, with practical strategies that keep you motivated and on track. So I want you to just take a minute, if you would, to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you could be notified for upcoming videos, especially those in my Entrepreneurs Who Work From Home video series where I'm interviewing entrepreneurs around the world. So what helps us feel organized over the holiday? Well, the holidays are full of moving parts, right? Client work, shopping, events, family commitments, and that year-end planning. I know I'm lined up to have a year-end planning session with my coach. And when you're running a business, that combination can quickly turn into overwhelm. And when overwhelm rises, you lose those hours, you miss those opportunities, and you just end the year feeling burned out. And I really don't want you to feel that way, because being organized, it isn't about being perfect. It's about making sure your time and your energy just stay protected so you can enjoy the holidays, like attending your child's performances or decorating your home or planning your holiday meals, or mailing your Christmas cards on time, which is what I'm working on achieving this year, and just still keeping your business moving forward through all of this. So one of the most important things you can do this time of year is to have both a holiday checklist and a master business checklist. That's what's really helped me around working my business and also my personal life. I really love checklists, and I really think they act as a roadmap, and they kind of keep you vigilant about important dates, especially those really important events, because you don't want to double book yourself or accidentally let something slip through the cracks. That can happen very easily. So in today's video, I want to recommend 3 tools that's going to help you stay focused. The first one is time blocking. Really, truly think about time blocking your days. I'm just a fiend for time blocking because it makes life easier. It gives you a plan. And at this time of year, planning is everything, right? Every task gets a home, every priority gets protected. When you schedule those tasks on your calendar, which I do every week, every Sunday, you don't spend the day reacting, right? You simply follow the list. It's pretty simple. That's what I do. So time blocking also helps you map out those holiday tasks, like when to buy the gifts, when to decorate, like when you want to get ready for those holiday meals, and especially when you want to send Christmas cards. This year, I am really determined to get my Christmas cards out before Christmas. But especially as an entrepreneur, you want to plan when your offers for the rest of the year are going out. So it's all about keeping your brain calm, right? Now, the second tool I use is the Pomodoro method. And this, along with time blocking, really makes it simple. Because, with lots of interruptions happening all over the place during this time of year, it's really simple if you really want to get things done by using the Pomodoro method. It is one of my favorite focus tools to use, especially this time of year. And here's how simple it is. Work for 25 minutes, break for 5. And you can do as many of those. I call them POMs, P-O-M-S. They're just short bursts of keeping your brain engaged, and even when life is happening around you, you're focused in on this 25 minutes. And I will link my video on how to dig into this incredible time blocking tool in the description below. And the third tool I really recommend is to just protect your CEO time. You are an entrepreneur. Every week, set aside a focused block of time for planning. Now, I teach my clients to use my Sunday planning system. But during the holidays, you really have to step into this. It's so essential, especially now as we head into the last few weeks of the year. This is your moment to review your goals, look at the big picture, and really make decisions that keep you steady. So during this CEO time, you should also review your holiday budget, your year-to-date business income, your year-end offers. And what about your content schedule through December? I love to set that up at the beginning of the month. So I would like to ask myself at this time of year too, what's working in my business? And of course, what's not? And because I'm a habit and routine person, I really like to ask myself, what routines do I want to take into the new year? This is also part and parcel of my business vision board workshop that I offer as well. In fact, let me ask you a question right now. I'd really love to know, which routine would you like to take into the new year? Let me know in the comments below. I'd be very interested. These are all important areas in knowing how to end your year strong and begin your next year feeling grounded, confident, and clear. So my free resource for you is the Entrepreneur's Holiday Organizer. And inside this lovely organizer, you'll find holiday checklists, a master business checklist, planning pages for your holiday meals even, and places to track your decorating lists, a Christmas card organizer that I've already started mine, your holiday budget spread, your year-end reflection pages, and a spot to plan your holiday offers and your yearly business wrap-up. Plus, there's prompts and worksheets that help you get clear on your priorities, feel calm, and keep your business organized. So you can actually enjoy this season instead of surviving it. Okay, so I have a call to action for you today. If you want to stay organized, protect your energy, and actually enjoy the holidays this year, make sure you grab this free resource, Entrepreneur's Holiday Organizer. The link is in my description below. And if you're ready to step into the new year with clarity and really create a plan that feels doable and exciting, I'm opening up spots for my New Year planning session. This is a powerful one-on-one session where we map out your goals, your routines, and your growth plan for the year ahead. If that feels aligned for you, the link to book is also below. If you want more tips on building your business routines and your entrepreneurial journey, subscribe and follow my Entrepreneurs Who Work From Home series, where I share weekly interviews with amazing entrepreneurs from around the world. So thanks for watching today, and I'll see you on the next video.